Hey guys, welcome back. So I was contemplating whether to do this video or not because I don't really want to redo all the full FD rounds this year. But Road Atlanta is one of my favorite rounds, and I wanted to do something to inspire me to keep working on the R32 mod. So we're at Road Atlanta in the V8 R32. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so I haven't done anything extra on the 32. Just wanted to drive it again, like I said, to hopefully get some inspiration to continue the mod. So just take it easy down here. So I still find the card a bit difficult to drive. Fourth gear. So I remember when I did this last year, I stuffed it up in the World Trip Tour S14. Definitely felt like it was running out of power through some of the sections, through the midsection there. Definitely not finding that in this car, and I think I just stalled it. So this, if you don't remember, this has the supercharged LS3 out of the Commodore from this pack. So it was somewhere in the vicinity of 600 horsepower. Just a little bit of bashing fourth gear. Off on the grass. Try not to fall out of the drift this time. Just hold fourth. Do have the car. Recover that. I do also have the car on the comp tires. Just trying to work out what that noise was, but it's the backfire. Stall that in seconds time. Let's go for a standing start and see how we go. Roll for 1 second. Third, fourth. See if we can just do a big handbrake entry. Oh, too far. Keep it out. I do want to continue working on this mod. And like I said, as more information comes out about the car they're building, I'll try and update it. But at least work on the visual side of it if I can. Don't really want to get ahead of myself though. But yeah, I don't know what I like. I think Road Atlanta just fascinated me how it loops back on itself and comes back up the hill. I don't know why, I think it's just the first time I saw it, I just kind of enjoyed the concept of it, so. Fourth, try and get it out. Trying to hit the inner clip. I wonder if I should be trying fifth gear instead of fourth. See if it's got the power to do fifth. The tires getting worn. What's on? They look yellow. Reset the car to fresh tires. Go for a standing start again. Try not to stall it this time. Second, third, fourth. We'll go fifth, but I don't think this is going to work very well. Bogged down in fifth. Go back to fourth for this tight section. And it's got the torque to do fifth through the highest this section. I'm surprised. Definitely felt like it was out of its power band, but it's still able to light up fifth. Let's see if we can do that again. So we'll go rolling start in second, 4 rolling start in second, third, fourth, fifth, handbrake entry, or big cut of the corner. Nope. Shift on transition. I shouldn't have gone back to second then. It's definitely not the easiest car to drive with this much power. I probably should actually just try and drive the normal Ford all the way. Swarm have set it up. Forget from the data, but I think it was an RB25. Alright, fourth, fifth. Come with the handbrake entry. See if we can hold the fifth up the hill. They go into sixth, not fourth then. Alright, hold fourth. Can we do fifth up the hill? Is that actually fifth or is that third? Nope, that was fifth. I don't know if I can see the speed down that side. Okay, speed, bottom, right. See if I can try and work out what the wheel speed is. It'll be easier to watch back in the video where it's clearer, but fourth, fifth. Over rotating. Tried to have a quick glance, but the wheel speed didn't actually seem that high anyway. It's like 70 Ks. Oh, keep it a 4. Too busy trying to watch the speed instead of trying to drift. Unless it just does go off actual car speed, not wheel speed. The speedo there. Alright, last lap. Actually, does this work? I'm saying 30 Ks, but I would have thought the wheel speed would have been a bit higher than that. Alright, fifth gear. Out on the grass. Oh, finish off this lap. So this, we'll get up the top and turn around. Can't just clutch kick into a roll and skid. Baking up the tyres. So this video served its purpose. So yeah, decided to watch Road Atlanta round 2, or Formula Drift round 2 at Road Atlanta on the weekend. Hopefully I can keep working on an R32 with a V8 mod. Like it feels pretty good. Feels like it'll be a handful, and that was kind of the purpose of this video. So for that, thanks for watching, guys.